Hello everyone and welcome to our Russian classes. Today we're going to learn very long words that actually mean 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. If you look at the numbers, well, in English it's easy, right? But if you look at the letters, the number of letters, that can be scary. But hey, don't be scared. It's going to be easy. I'm going to teach you how to understand, how to remember these words faster. So first of all, you need to compare languages. Like, let's say you know English. Well, you have to know English because I'm speaking English right now and you have to understand me. So when we learned English, or maybe you speak English as your native language, you say 13, 14, 15. It does make sense, right? It's 10. Basically 10. It's like 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10. So it's just a bit different. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 10. So here we will have the 10. We will. It is going to be slightly harder pronounced, but hey, who said that Russian is easy? Nobody. So Russian is difficult, but if I speak it, you can speak it. So first of all, let's read the words and then make sense out of it. Of course we're going to be reading the transcription. Who said we're going to be reading this horrible Cyrillic letters? 11. We actually took this word before at our previous classes as we learned time. 11. E is stressed. 11. And 12. 12. Then 13. 3 makes sense. Number 3. 13. Okay. Then 14. 14. Okay, you don't have that in your language, but in the Russian language, you're gonna learn this sound. Okay? Ты, like the word you. Ты. 14. 14. And then 15. 15. 15. So first of all, I would like you to stop this video and actually read the transcription and become comfortable with these long words. I'm going to read again so you can listen to it and actually repeat after me. 11. 11. 12. 13. 14. I know. 14. 15. Now we're gonna read it with Cyrillic. Okay? So don't look at this part. Look at me. Okay. So we're going to look at this part. 11. So we see the word один, which is 1, and then we see nad, and then we see tsat. So basically, tsat is basically 10, right? Well, I know in the Russian language it's 10, but long time ago, very long time, very long time ago, this was 10. So nad is the word over. we're going to use the word nad in our normal speech later when we're going to talk. So basically, what it means is 1/10. And all of them are going to have over 10. Here, it's going to be over 10. Here, it's going to be over 10. Over 10. Over 10. So how many numbers are over 10? 2. So 2. 2 points over 10 makes 12. 12. 13. 3 points over 10, right? So here we see the word 3, which means 3 in the Russian language. Over 10. Makes sense. 13. 13. Then how many points? 4 points. 4. But we have 4. 14. Over 10. 14. And the last one will be 5 points over 10, like 5. 5. 15. So yes, these numbers are complex, but they do make sense. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. It's going to be 6/10 and 7, and that's we're going to take at our next class, because come on, so many long words, it's enough for today. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. So your task is to learn that. I know, I don't need to learn it, I know it, but you don't, so you have to learn it. I know life is not fair, but please learn it, please write it down, please try to repeat it many times, try to memorize how it's written, try to at least listen to it so many times so you can remember. And like this video because I made this for you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Russian with Irina. Tell it to all your friends, okay? And if you need private classes, you can also send me a personal email. I give one-on-one or group classes online, so feel free to contact me. All information you can see in the description below. Well, I also have Instagram where I also teach Russian, so all the links are right here. Пока-пока!